these recent gusts. 53-mile-per-hour gust in Orlando, 52 in Daytona Beach and Leesburg. So the winds are still howling and gusting, even though there's not a lot of rain. And this is going to continue now for several more hours into the afternoon before we finally start to calm things down late afternoon and into the evening. Let's get over to Kyle Gravlin now for more.
Yeah, it's kind of sad that even with a 52, 53-mile-per-hour gust, we actually have to be pleased seeing that because of all the 60-plus mile-per-hour gusts we had in the past hour. Wider view here of Irma, all that very heavy rain going up into parts of Georgia, eventually the Carolinas as well. We are mainly dry around here. It was that drier air that led to a lot of these stronger wind gusts just in the past couple of hours, but we had them overnight as well. So we'll see some of these showers return. We'll continue to keep an eye on the winds, though, through the rest of today. Those tropical storm force gusts, which through late morning will still be on the stronger side.